This year has ended, and in its place, a new one is upon us. A new chance to do the things we always planned on doing, but never got to. The opportunity to read that book, get in that gym, or learn that skill. But more often than most, we fail to do so. And why is that? What is stopping you? Did you know that only 8% of people commit to their resolutions? You are not alone. There's no need to feel ashamed or anxious. You simply lack the tools to do so. And today, we will share with you a few tricks you can add to your toolbox to make the change you want to happen. Get real. Establish short-term goals instead of vague resolutions. The more specific, the better. For example, instead of "I'm going to exercise and eat less sugar," you could say, "I'm going to work out 3 days a week and add vegetables to my diet." Small steps. Change can only happen gradually, for the mind and the body to adjust accordingly. Don't count on large-scale resolutions to happen quickly, or try to implement 10 new habits all of a sudden. It will fail, and you will be all the more disappointed. Anticipate obstacles. Life is messy, and we cannot plan for everything ahead. Expect that sometimes you will be too tired for that book you're trying to finish, or simply lose motivation. And it's okay, as long as you stay committed and don't let it wear down your goals. Enlist support. We are social creatures by nature, and it's okay to ask for help. Tell friends and family about your resolution, and follow up with them so that they can hold you accountable and give you a boost from time to time. Track progress. Seeing is believing. Monitor your behavior to stay focused, to notice how much you are improving and getting closer by the day to your vision. Celebrate along the way. Reward yourself for the little victories to increase motivation, pride, and determination. Enjoy yourself. You deserve it. And finally, don't start on January 1st. And make last-minute resolutions just because it's New Year's Eve. Take time to think about what you really want to accomplish. There's no need to rush. You have 365 chances. Make use of all of them. Who we will become tomorrow depends on the knowledge we take in today, on the choices we make and the turns we take. What will you choose this year? How will you overcome your fear? What change do you want to see? And what kind of person do you want to be? Share with us in the comments and commit to them once and for all.